Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change ear tips on your headphones JBL Live 300 TWS. You have to start by gently pull the current ear tips off the butt. Right here. And on the second one also. Let's go. Now select the new ear tip size. Let's say that's okay for me. And now align the new ear tip with earbud nozzle. And with the second one. And here we go, we just did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!